So I'm using Flood Floetrol. So you put in your Floetrol and then you're going to put half of that in paint. And we're gonna go ahead and stir it very well. So for this, I am gonna add a little bit of water. So you just put a little bit at a time because you can't take it back out, but you can always add more. And I thought it would be super cool to use 3 canvases for this. I keep my paints mixed up in bottles like this. They're pre-mixed. And for this, I like to go in a diagonal pattern. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna spread it out so that it is nice and even on this half. If your paint is too thick, then this technique will not work very well. All right, now is the fun part of using any colors that you want. And we're just gonna pour basically right in the middle. Now I'm adding some of that folk art. This is the kind of metallic green. And then lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of gold. And now the fun part, our hair dryer. You want one that has a cold setting and also high air. Now, a pretty key thing is to not overwork it. If you go over an area like a lot, you'll start to get kind of more the muddy look. I have some edges here that are a little too perfect for me. So I'm actually gonna work on that again really quick. Here we go. And there we go. I'm pretty happy with that. So it's definitely all a matter of taste. Now, how it will look on the wall, that just depends on you and how you want to hang it. So it is imperative that you do separate these before they're dry so they don't stick together. You don't have to just use the force of air. You can go in there with a stick. So if there's any other little parts that you're like, I would like to add just a little more interest. All right, I'm gonna show you guys another painting that I did. This one is all dry. I did this using the same technique and actually virtually the same colors. This is a larger one. The cool thing is you can hang it in any direction. It's just really, really awesome, and use any colors you want whatsoever to match your home decor. I really hope you guys enjoyed this project, and thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys next time.